I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
So we bring you a little exclusive here, man. A little exclusive. That's locked up. Used to be police car. Can you tell what it is? Can you tell what it is? I want to say Caprice. Caprice. I think it's all locked up. But they for sale. You know what engine off in there, don't you? It's already done. The weight reduction is already done. This one already got 10 on it. That one locked up too. Got a little fender flare on there. I'm gonna get a picture of this VIN so I can look it up when I get back to the store. If you know somebody looking for one or two, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what car I would want to get rid of, but probably now one of them, but it'd be nice to have something a little bit newer. I know my man D Brooks just got a Caprice, newer, just like this. So we could be like treacherous little twins, me and D Brooks. I wonder how hard it is to find parts for them boys. Code AC, 160 on the dash. See it right there. Got it from auction. 2012 Caprice V8 6 liter. I have to be $8,000 for 85.
Silver white on might be a player. Depending on what it is.
And this one already tinted out. Not too shabby. Door seal. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. $8,500. $8,500. You know somebody